Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CS2 Opens in wrong resolution. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to open a browser, and then you just need to look for hrc.exe and download this thing here. Press download button, and once it's downloaded, you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now after you extract the file. Right, so open it, and then here on the system tray, it will be a little Windows icon here. Then you need to go to CS2 and then look what resolution you are running. So for me, as you can see here, I'm running in 1440 times 1080. So what you need to do here, if CS2 opens in wrong resolution, is to, when you want to play the game, select different resolution, same resolution here, select the hotkey, and when you're trying to play, want to play the game, just trigger the hotkey and change your PC resolution like this. Now my recording should be skewed, but after you change your resolution here, launch the game, and you should instantly alt tab, and also it should be in the right resolution, right? So try this and tell me in the comment section if it worked for you or not. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more.